Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting recovery now. First, stop writing to the folder so Windows won't overwrite deleted data. Next, check available sources, file history, OneDrive version history, system image, or restore points so you know which method applies. Once you've confirmed a backup source, open File Explorer, navigate to the file or folder, right-click and select Properties, then Previous Versions. This gives you the snapshots Windows kept. You'll use them immediately to retrieve the replaced file. Now execute the chosen restore path. If file history is enabled, go to Control Panel File History, Restore Personal Files, browse to the file, and restore it. For previous versions, pick the timestamp that predates the replacement and click Restore or Copy to save elsewhere to avoid overwriting the current file. If the file lives in OneDrive, right-click and choose Version History from the context menu, or use the OneDrive web interface to restore the correct version. Make sure to verify times. Finish by opening and verifying the restored file so you confirm content integrity and correct permissions. Change the file name if you want to compare versions. Once done, enable or update your backup routine, file history, or scheduled system images. Minimize future risk. If no previous version appears, don't panic. Try Shadow Explorer to read volume shadow copies or restore from a full system image. If shadow copies are absent, consider data recovery tools or professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.